Are there any grants or stimulus benefits of any kind for inventors to help with the cost of trademarks or patent expenses?
Yes, so I covered in the last, I had a patent professor webinar on April 10th and April 17th and April 24th on the different types of federal funding available for individual inventors and small businesses, small startups. I didn't cover that. I was originally going to do that webinar today as well, but the latest round of funding is expected to go extremely quickly. So I don't know, I wasn't sure if funds were still going to be available today or not. Jenny is listening in on this, so she can maybe post a link to, we have a group on Facebook that I manage. It's called the Inventors Mastermind. And I have a link with all the information that's needed to obtain federal funding for coronavirus relief. And there is no, there's a lot of that misconceptions that relief only applies to larger companies or people with payroll, because there's a loan known as the Paycheck Protection Program. However, if you're self-employed or you have even you're an independent contractor, you have a 1099, you can still be eligible for the Paycheck Protection Program funds. So the replays are going to be, they're on the Inventors Mastermind, which is my private Facebook group. There's no cost to participate. There's a lot of helpful prototype manufacturers that I have vetted that give advice. There's a lot of course, inventors that are experienced, seasoned inventors that are mentoring others that are not as far along. That concept of the mastermind is a concept that originally was in Napoleon Hill's famous book, Think and Grow Rich. So I've taken that concept and I've applied it specifically for inventors, because the beauty today, and it's never been available in the past, is that you could have almost an instant mastermind of help. Like if you're an inventor and you need to get some guidance on prototyping or 3D printing, you go to the Inventors Mastermind on our Facebook group, and that's the search terms, Inventors Mastermind. You type in your question. You should have, within a couple hours, several experienced inventors that provide guidance. And I spend several hours on the Inventors Mastermind addressing questions as well, which I do want to say, like, I have a hard cutoff at exactly, I'll probably stop at about 2 minutes before 1 because I have a conference call at 1 o'clock. But any questions that are not answered here, they can, if you type them into the chat box, we are going to go through them and try to help get back to everyone. Or if you go to the Inventors Mastermind, ask your questions there. I might not be able to get to it today, but perhaps over the weekend or Monday, I'll make sure I address any questions that come in to the Inventors Mastermind if we can't get to them all today. And this would be, even though next week's topic is understanding provisional patents versus non-provisional patents, I am going to have a Q&A at the end, and I'm not going to require the questions be limited to just those types of patents. So any questions you can't get answered today, if you don't want to go to the Inventors Mastermind and type them in, we will have Ask the Patent Professor segment next Friday, same time, from noon to 1 o'clock. I forgot again, Giovanni, is it May 7th or 8th?
May 8th.
May 8th, Friday, May 8th,
Sure.
Same place.